Hey guys, welcome to a new day. This is a day that we're not going to have Zoom classes, so I have a teaching video for you. We'll start out with our calendar time, then we'll have some math and reading, and I hope you guys have a great day. So we'll start with our countdown. So yesterday was 9 days until we come back to school. So let's see, let's pop one balloon. Oops, got to go the other way, right? Okay, let's pop another balloon. 1, 2, 3, pop. 5, 6, 7, 8 days until we come back to school. So exciting. Okay, so let's look at our calendar. Yesterday was Monday, October 19th. We had a teaching video yesterday. Same thing today. Tuesday, October 20th, I have a video for you, and you'll have the rest of the day for independent work. Tomorrow on Wednesday, we will have Zoom classes. Also on Thursday, we'll have Zoom classes. Just like our regular schedule, I'll email that to your grown-ups. And then on Friday, we're out of school for a teacher work day. Okay, we're going to go through Lucky Leader today since it's Miss Etheridge, and you'll have to go look outside to see what our weather's like today because I'm doing this ahead of time. Right now, my weather is cloudy, but I'll have to go look and see what it is for Tuesday. We'll add that to our graph later. Okay, so since we don't have a Lucky Leader today, I'm going to do my name and Miss Landrum's name so you can get used to those. Okay, so here's Miss Etheridge's last name. Okay, so E-T-H-E-R. I-D-G-E. Okay, so this is my last name. Okay, I'll make it fit on my little spot here. We're going to compare my name and Miss Landrum's name. Okay, so here's Etheridge. Let's see how many letters Miss Etheridge has in her last name. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 letters in my last name. How many more letters would I need to get to 10? So 9 and 1 more to get to 10, right? Okay, let's look at Miss Landrum's last name. Landrum. Here we go. There's our L. A. N. D. R. U. M. All right, let's see how many letters Miss Landrum has in her name. One in her last name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it with counters. Blue counters will compare. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, who has more letters in their last name? Miss Etheridge or Miss Landrum? That's right, Miss Etheridge has more. Let's see, Miss Etheridge has 2 more letters than Miss Landrum. How many more letters does Miss Landrum need to get to 10? So we've got 7 and 3 more to get to 10. And you guys know Miss Etheridge and Miss Landrum are going to take care of you at school, right? Okay, so let's see. I'm going to do this question about Miss Landrum today, just because I know the answer to this. What is your favorite color? And when I lost my color thing, let me make it. All right, what is your favorite color? I like purple. Miss Landrum does like purple. All right, let's see. Let me see if I can type purple in there. And then we'll read our sentence. Oops. All right, so there's purple. All right, P-U-R-P-L-E. That looked strange there for a minute. Okay, let's read our morning message today. I'll try to line it up. I always have trouble with that, though. Okay, show me where to start reading. You start right here, right? Which way do we go? Go this way to our question mark, and then after our question mark, we go back down to the next sentence, and then we stop at our period. All right, point to each word while we read. What is your favorite color? I like purple. Okay, so yesterday, Monday, we were in school for 44 days. So let's add one more one here. 44, 45. Now let's fix our sentence. So we've got the 4 for 40. Let's make a 5. Down, around, put on a hat to make the numeral 5. Okay, let's read our sentence. We have been in school 45 days. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 44, 45. Okay, let's practice counting to 50. I think we can do it. It's a challenge. You can practice today for your independent work counting to 50. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Now we've counted to 50. We're halfway to 100. Let's practice our counting to 50 this week. Hopefully we can get it down. Okay, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. A crossover for one of our tallies here. Okay, let's add one more one here, 44, 45. How many more to get to 10? We have 5 and 5 more to get to 10, right? All right, chickadees, let's get ready to do some math. Okay, so we're going to find the total, just like we've been working on. I'll give you some yellow cubes and some purple cubes, and we will find the total and read the number sentence here. Okay, so let's start by saying, okay, how many yellows do we have? We have 3 yellows. There's our 3. How many purples do we have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we have 7 purples. All right, what is our total? I'm going to give you just a second so that you can count all of the cubes together to find the total. So how many? 3 and 7 make 10, right? 3, we'll start with 7. It's the biggest number. 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 and 7 make 10. All right, let's do another one. Okay, here we go. All right, so let's count how many yellows we have and then how many purples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 yellows. Let's see how many purples we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 purples, 6, and 4. Let's count them all together. Now we know this is 6. We've already counted it. So let's start at 6 and count up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 and 4 make 10. And we've got another way to make 10 here, don't we? Okay, one more. All right. How many do we have? Oh, I pulled it over without counting with you. Sorry about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 5 yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 purple. 5 and 5. We should know this. We've been doing this a lot with our 10 frame. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 and 5 make 10. There we go. All right, let's keep going. Okay, so I've got a new little game for us to play here. My little cards weren't working. We're going to do compare with dice. Okay, so here we go. So we've got 5 and 1. Which one is greater than 5, right? Okay, let's roll again. Okay, so here's 4 and 3. Which number is greater than 4, right? Because look, 4 comes after 3. All right, so I have 6 and 1. Which number is less? 1, right? 1 comes before 6. Okay, we've got 1 and 2. Which number is less? 1. Very good. All right, we've got 6 and 2. Which number is more? 6. Very good. The last one, 2 and 3. Which number is less? 2. Very good. We'll play this one some more. Let's see. So since we just rolled the dice, you can play Race to Trace later. That's why I put it up here. Let me see. I'll have to click my toolbox to get the dice to show you how to do it. There it is. Oops. Sorry about that. All right. Toolbox. There you are. Okay. So this is going to be actually just one dice. So this is how we do Race to Trace. We roll the dice. We get the number 4. You guys have played this a lot, I'm sure, since you had it at home. Down, over, down some more to make the numeral 4. So you can play this today if you have time. Here's our 5. Down, around. It's hard for me to do it with the mouse. Put on a hat. Yours will look much neater than a Sethridge's, but I just wanted to remind you how to play Race to Trace. Okay, I have a little game for us to play with solid shapes. So these are 3D shapes. These are some things in the real world, and we're going to see where they belong and with our 3D shape. So what 3D shape is each item? So we've got a cylinder, we've got a cone, and a sphere, and a cube. So we're going to go through all these items on the bottom, and we're going to put them in the right area with the right shape. Okay, so the first one is a drum. Let's see, where does our drum belong? It is a cylinder, right? So a drum is a cylinder. Okay, so here's our ice cream cone, and that is our 3D shape cone, right? So here's the cone. Right, here's our globe. Where does it go? Sphere. Very good. Okay, here's a dice, or a die, if you're saying just one. It's got all squares. Where does it belong? with the cube. Good. Here's a little connecting cube. The name is actually in the actual name, right? So this is a cube, even though it has like a little point to connect. Okay, so here's a beach ball. What shape is the beach ball? Goes here with the sphere, right? Here's a soda can. Where does it go? It is a cylinder. And a party hat is a cone. Very good. Okay. Does this show a way to make 10? We've got one missing on our tens frame, so no, this does not show a way to make 10, right? It shows a way to make 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it says 5 and 4 more make 9, but that's not a way to make 10. Let's see. Does this show a way to make 10? Yes, it does. Very good. Okay, so let's see. We've got 2 yellow and 8, 5, 6, 7, 8 red. So 2 and 8 make 10. All right, so let's see. Tell me how many would be greater than this group of snails. So let's see. Let's count the snails first, and then you can tell me how many would be greater. 1. Okay, so we've got 5. How many would be greater than 5? So let's see. Show me with your fingers. You may be showing me 6. That would be greater than 5, right? 7, 8, 9, and 10, all greater than 5, but you can't show me any more than these with your fingers, right? So all of those groups would be greater than 5 snails. All right, what is next to the dog? What is next to the dog? All right, so here's the dog, and that's right, the books are next to the dog. Okay, this is our last math problem for this video. There are 10 soccer balls. So I want you to think about our tens frame here. There are 10 soccer balls. Or sorry, there are 10 balls. Some are soccer balls and some are basketballs. How many can be soccer balls and how many can be basketballs? Okay, so if we have 10 balls and some are soccer balls, if you have one soccer ball, how many basketballs could you have? That's right, you would have one soccer ball and 9 basketballs. So these are all the different ways that we've been talking about to make 10. Now, there's not just one right answer to this question. There's several different ways that you could make 10. So you could do 1 and 9. Okay. There's lots of other ways to make 10 too. Let's see. Let's do another one. What if I had 4 soccer balls? How many basketballs could I have? That's right, 4 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I bet you could think of more ways too. If you wanted to do the double, you could fill up the top row with soccer balls and then have the rest basketballs. So that would be basketballs. So that one would be 5 and 5 make 10. And there's lots of other ways I know that you could probably tell me to make 10. You guys are doing a great job on that. Okay, great job with your math today, guys.
All right, let's practice our letters and sounds. Letter is A, sound is A. Letter is B, sound is B. Letter is C, sound is K. Letter is D, sound is D. Letter is E, sound is E. Letter is F, sound is F. Letter is G, sound is G. Letter is H, sound is H. Letter is I, sound is I. Letter is J, sound is J. Letter is K, sound is K. Letter is L, sound is L. Letter is M, sound is M. Letter is N, sound is N. Letter is O, sound is A. Letter is P, sound is P. Letter is Q, sound is Qu. Letter is R, sound is R. Letter is S, sound is S. Letter is T, sound is T. Letter is U, sound is A. Letter is V, sound is M. Letter is W, sound is W. Letter is X, sound is X. Letter is Y, sound is Y. Letter is Z, sound is Z. Okay, let's continue with our sound study for today. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is I will say 2 words. You give me a thumbs up if the words rhyme, thumbs down if the words do not rhyme. Move, made. Theme, team. Wide, work. Ring, king. Alright, now this time I'll say 2 words. You repeat and then tell me the beginning sound. Goose, game. Goose, game. G. Thin, fish. Thin, fish. Airy, vet. Airy, vet. Okay. Now I'll give you 2 syllables and we'll blend them together. Friendly, friendly. Mittens, mittens. After, after. Dentist, dentist. Pickle, pickle. Rabbit, rabbit. Okay. Now I'll say a word. We'll say the beginning and then cheer up, punch up for the ending sound. Dress, dress. Coat, coat. Cube, cube. Box, box. Okay, now I'll give you a word and you tell me the 2 syllables that you hear in the word. Party, party. Target, target. Enjoy, enjoy. Alone, alone. Okay. Now we'll add to the end painter, painter. Longest, longest. Slower, slower. Tallest, tallest. Okay, now we're going to delete a word or delete a syllable from the end. Letter without let. Shortest without est, short. Number without none. So that's the second. You need to turn the page. Okay, now we're going to change a syllable. Powder. Change pow to chow. Chowder. Chowder. Change chow to or. Order. Order. Change or to fee. Feeder. Okay. Last part. I'll say a sentence, you repeat. We'll clap how many words we hear in the sentence, and then we'll count them. My bed is so soft. My bed is so soft. My bed is so soft. School is a fun place. School is a fun place. School is a fun place. Okay. Will you play with us? Will you play with us? Will you play with us? Good. All right. Be kind to your friends. Be kind to your friends. Be kind to your friends.
Okay, guys, here's our last part of our asynchronous video for October 20th for Tuesday. The first time we're going to go through our letters, we'll say the letter sounds. We're going to change it up and start with the sounds now. And then the second time we go through, we're going to say the letter names as quickly as we can. Okay, so here we go. Sounds. S, ah, ah, p, s, m, p, m. Okay, now let's go through and say the letter names. S, A, P, S, M, P, M. Okay, let's try some sight words now. I can, the, we, see, a. Okay, we've been talking a lot about our letter P. It makes the P sound. So we're going to highlight all the pictures that have the P sound in them. Okay, so as I'm working, you can give me a thumbs up. As I'm going through to highlight, you can give me a thumbs up if you hear the P sound, thumbs down if you do not. Okay, so pen. Okay, we're going to highlight that one. It does have P. Socks. Nope. Pan. Yes, pan does have P. Rake. No. Pen. This is a different kind of pen. So this is the pen that you write with. This is the pen that you use. Miss Etheridge uses these for when I'm in a race. I pin my number to my shirt. Right, and yes, it does have the P sound. Okay, what about pail? Yes. Pillow. Yes. Piano. And axe. Good job. All these words have the P sound. Okay, here's our story. We can see. This is one that you can read with me. We can see a map. And if you'll look at the map, this is like one of the maps you see when you go to a place. It's called You Are Here, San Antonio Zoo. So this map shows you how to get around the San Antonio Zoo. We see a parrot. Sorry, we can see a parrot. We can see a seal. We can see a panda. Can the panda see the parrot? All right, now let's go back. We're going to look. Okay, so what animal starts with the same sound as Pam? Panda, right? Panda, Pam have the same beginning sound. Look at the panda. Looks like he's waving. Okay. Let's look for the sight word A. Can you find it? Here it is. All right. Which animal is in the water? Is it the parrot or the seal? Can you tell? The seal is very good. All right. So we're going to kind of retell the story as we go back through. So it looks like they're going to the zoo to see what they can see. So we've got the parrot, the seal, and the panda. If you were to go visit the zoo, which animal would be your favorite? I'm thinking the panda. Okay, here's our last thing. We'll make a sentence. Now, we've done this a lot. We know that the sentences start with a capital letter and they end with a period. So it's easy to figure out our sentence if we can get those two things down. So I know my period goes at the end. That's the end of my sentence. And I know my capital letter goes at the beginning. So let's see. Which word has a capital letter? Oh, here it is right here. A capital W right here for we. Okay, now let's see. We. What is going to make sense for my sentence? We, the. That's not making sense to me. We, sky. No. Let's see. I'm looking at these two words and I feel like they will make sense next. We can see. That's something we've seen as we were reading, right? We can see. And then we'll do the next. We can see the sky. Good job, guys. We made a sentence. Point to each word as we read it together. We can see the sky. And then there's our period at the end. You guys did a great job with your asynchronous day today. So you'll have this video to watch. You can do iReady reading and math. Please make sure that you have 30 minutes for the week. You could work in your journal for independent work, write a sentence and draw a picture. You could do reading A to Z. You could do ABC Mouse. You could do IXL math. You can do all those things. If you want to do your workbook, you could do that. You could read books. I hope you guys have a great asynchronous day, and I will see you back tomorrow on our Zoom schedule.